Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
It is better to live in this world by begging than to live at the cost of the lives of great souls who are my teachers. Even though they are avaricious, they are nonetheless superiors. If they are killed, our spoils will be tainted with blood.
So, the first problem was for Arjuna how to kill the kinsman, family man. Now, when he was chastised by Krishna as a friend, why you are so weak? Don't be weak. This is sentiment. This kind of compassion is sentiment. Uttishta. You better get up and fight. But we can, if I do not want to do something, I can offer so many pleas. So, next he is presenting Guru. All right, Krishna, you are talking about my kinsman. I accept that it is my weakness. But how do you advise me to kill my Guru? Dronacharya is my Guru. And Bhishma Devi is also my Guru. Do you want me to kill my Guru? Guru hi hatya. And not only ordinary Guru. It is not that they are ordinary men. Mahanubhava. Bhishma is a great devotee. And similarly, Dronacharya also a great personality. Mahanubhava. So, Katam Bhishma Maham Sankhi Dronam Madhusudana. They are two great personalities. They are not only my gurus, but they are great personalities. And Krishna is addressed Madhusudana. Madhusudana means Madhu was Krishna's enemy, a demon. So he killed. So you are Madhusudana, you are killer of your enemies. Can you give me any evidence that you have killed your Guru? So why you are asking me? This is the purpose. Isubhi pratijasami pujaraha. Barisudana. Again, Arisudana. Ari means enemy. Madhusudana, particularly the killer of the Madhu, demon. And next is Arisudana. Ari means enemy. So, Krishna has killed so many demons, Ari, who came to fight with him as enemy. Therefore his name is Arisudana. So Krishna has got enemies also. What to speak of ourselves? This material world is so bad that you must have some enemies. Matsarata. Matsarata means enviousness, jealous. This material world is like that. So, there are jealous enemies of God also. They are called demons. Ordinary jealousy or enemy, that is natural. But even to God, just yesterday night, evening, somebody came to see me. He was arguing that why Krishna should be accepted as God. That was his argument. So Krishna has enemies. Therefore Krishna, not only he, but everyone who is in the material world is enemy of Krishna. Everyone. Because they want to be competitor of Krishna. Krishna says that Bhokta Aham, I am the supreme enjoyer. Sarvaloka Mahesava, I am the supreme proprietor. And the Vedas also confirm, Ishavasam, Idam Sarvam. Everything is the property of the Supreme Lord. Sarvam khalu idam Brahma. These are Vedic injunctions. Jato vaimani bhutani jayanti. From whom everything has come. Janmadhyasya jataha. These are Vedic verses. But still, because we are enemies, no. Why Krishna shall be the proprietor? I am proprietor. Why Krishna shall be God only? I have got another. Here is another God. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.